Dear students, I would like to welcome all of you to Bhanga Virtual School. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I would like to give a special thanks to the authority of Bhanga Virtual School. They have created such an opportunity for you to attend the virtual class, and I hope that you will follow the class routine and you will attend the class regularly. Okay, this class will be definitely fruitful for you, and this class will be definitely effective to you. Okay, so welcome to Bhanga Virtual School. I am Joydev Kumar Pal, Assistant Teacher, English, Morning Shift, Bhanga Govt Pilot High School, Bhanga, Faridpur. You can see also my identification on the screen. Dear students, we are going to take this virtual class for class 8, subject English second paper. Time will be 30 minutes. So class 8 English second paper, subject will be 30 minutes. So we are going to discuss a very important topic on grammatical point, suffix and prefix. We are going to discuss suffix and prefix. So get ready with your copy and pen to attend the class. Okay. Students, we will start our class by playing a game. Okay, word game. This game is not an ordinary game, it is word game. Make new words from the root words. You have to make new words from the root words. You will see a word. This is a word educate. Okay, it is a root word. You have to make 4 or 5 more words as much as you can. Just think about a little. Educate. Educate is the root word. You have to make new 4 or 5 new words on the basis of the root word. Educate. Okay. So I hope that you have already thought about it. So we can see first word education. So we can make new word education from word educate. Okay. Next one is educative. Educative. Another one is educational. Educational, and another one is educated, and next one is uneducated. So dear students, just pay attention. We have created 1 2 3 4 5 new words from a word educate. So how we have created the word? We have just add ION, IVE, IONAL, D, here UN to the front of the word and D at the end of the letter. Thus we have made some new words from a root word. You have also another game. Dear students, you have to guess the opposite word. You have to guess the opposite word of this given word. Okay, there are some words you have to think about the opposite word of this word. Happy, important, respect, behave, encourage, honesty, fortune. I hope that you will think about the opposite word. Okay. So I hope that you have already thought about it. Now we can see what the answer. Happy, unhappy. Important, unimportant. Respect, disrespect. Behave, misbehave. Encourage, discourage. Honesty, dishonesty. Fortune, misfortune. So these are the opposite words, and we have made opposite words by adding UN, DIS, MIS, DIS, MIS. Okay. So by adding this group of letters, we have created these opposite words. Okay. So these opposite words are also new words. These opposite words are also new words. This is how you can make so many words and enrich your vocabulary. Okay. So this topic suffix prefix is for enriching your vocabulary. Now, can anyone tell how you have made new words from the root words? Okay. Can anyone tell? Just think. We have made new words by adding a letter or a group of letters with the root word. Okay, we have made new words by adding a letter or a group of letters with the root word. Next, we have added a letter or a group of letters to the front of the letter and at the end of the root word. We have added this letter or a group of letters to the front part and at the end part of the letter. This is how we have made new words. Adding a letter or a group of letters is a process. Okay, it is a process. This adding is a process by which we can make new words and enrich our vocabulary. Okay. So dear students, can you tell the name of the process of making new words from a root words? Can you name? Yes, you are right. It is suffix and prefix. It is suffix and prefix. So we are going to learn or discuss today about suffix and prefix. How can we make new words from a root word? Learning outcomes. After completing the class, I hope that our students will be able to tell the definition of affix, tell the definition of prefix and suffix, tell the process of making new words from root word. So these are the learning outcomes. We hope that after finishing the class, you will develop your skills. Okay. So now let's start our class. So affix, before going to the students, before learning about suffix and prefix, we will learn affix. So what is affix? Affix, in the previous slide we have learned that we can make new words by adding a letter or a group of letters with the root words. Okay, we have learned it in our previous slide. So affix is the process of making new words by adding a letter or a group of letters, that is called suffix, prefix, or the both with the root words. So affix is a process of making new words by adding a letter or a group of letters to the front part and at the end part, that is called suffix and prefix, and by adding the both, okay, with the root words, we can make new words. This process is called affix. So what is affix? Affix is a process of making new words. Next, we will see a diagram by which we can just summarize the process. Okay, so this is affix. You see the root word, so prefix plus root word plus suffix. So prefix plus root word plus suffix, it makes a new word. It makes a new word. Okay, so this is all about our affix. Next, dear students, we will discuss about the types of affix now. Affix is mainly two types. These are prefix and suffix. Okay, what is prefix? Prefix is a letter or a group of letters which we add to the front of a root word to make another word. So both prefix and suffix are a letter or a group of letters, but when we add this letter to the front part of a word, it is called prefix, and when we add at the ending part of this root word, this is called suffix. Okay, so these are the definition of prefix and suffix. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters which we add at the end of a root word to make another word. So these are the definition. Please pay attention and be attentive, because this definition is very important to understand what is prefix and suffix very clearly. Okay, so I hope that you have already just understood it. Next, notion. Notion means here we will get some idea about how you will write the answer of the suffix and prefix. So dear students, just look at the board, read the passage very carefully. You will get such type of passage in your question paper. Kind is a divine virtue. Here marked word a kind. This type of word is not in correct preposition. You have to write the correct form of this word to clear the meaning of this sentence as well as the whole passage. Okay, when you will write the correct form of the passage of the word, this word befit the meaning of the sentence as well as the whole passage. So I help you. Kind is a divine virtue, so we should not be kind to the people in distress and even to low animals. Some naughty boys enjoy beating the lower animals like dogs and cats. This is an rational behavior. Animals are dumb creatures, they are harm beings. Some animals are very fat and they feel no hesitate to risk their lives for our protect. So you will get such type of passage in your question paper. You have to write the correct form of this mentioned word. Okay, you will find such type of passage in your question paper. The marked word means this type of words are wrong parts of speech. Okay, you have to write the marked words in correct parts of speech so that these words can befit the meaning of the sentence as well as the whole passage. So you have to write the correct form of the marked word or given word. Dear students, we are going to our next step. So in suffix and prefix, parts of speech is very important. At first, you must try to understand the meaning of the whole passage. It will help you to make correct answer. When you will make any new word, it will be a new parts of speech. Okay, when you will make any new word, this new word will be any type of parts of speech. So these new words will be mainly 4 types of parts of speech. You know that parts of speech are 8 types, but this new word will be only 4 types of parts of speech. Okay, there will not 8 types of parts of speech. So what parts of speech will be there? At first there will be noun, adjective, verb or adverb. Noun, adjective, verb or adverb. The new words will be these 4 types of parts of speech. Okay, next. Now we will just show the answer of the passage. I hope that you will try at your home. What will be the answer of this passage? Okay, just think for a while. What will be the answer of the kind? Because you will see kind here in the place of subject. Kind here in the place of subject, and we know in the place of subject we always use noun or pronoun. So you have to turn noun of this word kind. So what is the noun of the kind? Kindness. Kindness is the noun of the sentence, kind. So we will see now the correct answer. Okay, I read kindness. Kindness become kindness is a divine virtue, so we should not be kind has become unkind to the people in distress and even to lower animals. Some naughty boys enjoy beating the lower animals like dogs and cats. This is an irrational behavior. Animals are dumb creatures. They are harmful beings. Some animals are very faithful and they feel no hesitation to risk their life for our protection. Okay, so these are the answer of the passage. Now we will analyze the answer, how we have made the answer of the passage. Analysis. Just follow. Kind plus ness, it has become kindness. Kindness is a word of noun. Kind, we have added unkind. Unkind is an adjective. Low plus er, lower. Lower is an adjective. An adjective. Joy, we have added n. Enjoy. Enjoy is a verb. Rational, we have added ir. Irrational, This irrational is adjective. Create, it is verb, and we have added URES, creatures. Creatures here noun. Harm, it is, we have added FUL, harmful. Harmful is adjective. Faith, we have added FUL, full. Faithful, faithful here is adjective. The students, please pay attention. Hesitate, this is verb, we have added ION. Hesitation, hesitation is a noun. We have added ION with the verb protect, and it has become protection. Protection is a new word now. So you see, with the root word we have added so many letter or group of letters: NESS, UN, ER, EN, IR, URES, FUL, FUL, IOAN, ION, and these words has become new words, and new words become noun, adjective, adjective, verb, new parts of speech. Okay, so dear students, follow. NESS, here we have added suffix, UN prefix, ER suffix, EN prefix, ER prefix, URES suffix, FUL suffix, FUL suffix, ION suffix, ION suffix. Okay. Next, so class work. The students, I hope that you will complete the text adding suffix, prefixes or the both with the root words given in the parenthesis. Student life is the gold season of life. This is a form period of life. This is the time for prepare of future life. Students are the future lead of the country. They should have patriot. They should achieve quality, educate and build themselves as complete citizens. They should gain, know and learn the art of behave and interact before others. Okay, dear students, there is a class work for you. I hope that you will practice at your home, and you have to understand the place of the given word. And I will inform you, this is our first class for suffix and prefix. I will conduct more 2 or 3 class. Okay, I will conduct 1 or 2 more class for discussing the whole about the suffix and prefix. This is not about all the suffix and prefix. Okay, so you will of course practice at your home. The answer is golden, formative, preparation, leaders, patriotism, education, competitive, knowledge, behavior, interaction. So you will just see golden adjective, formative adjective, preparation noun, leaders noun, patriotism noun, education noun, competitive adjective, knowledge noun, behavior noun and interaction noun. So you can see the new words have become noun, adjective, verb or adverb. Okay, this is class work you must practice at your home. Now the students, it is time for your evaluation. I would like to request guardians to take care of your child at home so that they can just give the answer of the questions. So dear students, answer the following questions. I hope that you will be able to answer the following questions. What is affix? What is affix? Affix is the process of making new words. What is suffix? Yes, you are right. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters which we add at the end part of a given word and make new word. What is prefix? Prefix are also a letter or a group of letters which we add to the front of the root word and make new words. Okay. How many parts of speech do new words form or make? How many? Remember, you try to remember. Yes, 4 types. 4 types of parts of speech this new word form. These are, what are these? Noun, adjective, verb and adverb. So how can you make new words from a root word? So how can you make new words from a root word? You can make new words by adding suffix or prefix or the both from a root word. So dear students, I hope that you have attended the class. We are the ending part of the class. this is about your homework. I will give you homework and you must complete your homework at your home. Okay, make words as many as you can from the root words. There are some words. Imagine, it is a root word. You have to make more words as much as you can. Imagine, employee, believe, succeed. Imagine, employee, believe, succeed. This is all about our class and this is your homework. I hope that you must try to make the words from these root words as much as you can and you must complete your homework. Okay. So thank you, and to the end of the class I would like to inform you, you must follow the routine of Bhanga Virtual School and you will of course take part or attend the class regularly. So that is all from Joy Kumar Pal, Assistant Teacher English, Morning Shift, Bhanga Pilot High School, Bhanga, Phojpur. Thank you all.